guys, welcome back. I'm going to start by moisturizing my under eye area with this amazing illuminating eye cream. Next, I'm adding the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. Then I'm going to be blending out the concealer with this silicone sponge. For this look, I'm using this palette right here. The first eyeshadow I'm picking up is this light brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be tapping this through my crease, pressing the eyeshadow, not swiping, because remember, I did not set the concealer. Picking up this darker brown shade with a Zoeva 224 brush, placing it on my crease, I'm going to swipe back and forth since my eyeshadow base is now set. I'm going to be carving out my lid. Be patient when doing a cut crease. I know sometimes it can be hard, but practice and don't give up. Going into this black shade, I'm going to create a wing and I'm going to fill out the outer edge of the wing. Then I'm going to clean out the fallout with a makeup remover wipe, and I'm also going to clean underneath the wing. Picking up the dark brown shadow, placing it next to the black one, blending any harsh lines. So now I'm going to apply a green eyeshadow on the center of my lid. Moving on to the light green eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the inner corner of my lid, blending it into the darker green. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this e.l.f. lash curler, and for mascara I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics They Are Real mascara. For fake lashes, I'm using these ones by Beauty Creation Cosmetics. I don't know the name, but I'm going to be leaving everything on the description box. Then I went in with the first light brown eyeshadow I used, and I'm applying that on the lower lash line. On top of that, I'm placing the darker brown eyeshadow with a MAC Cosmetics 212 brush. Lastly, I'm grabbing a black eyeliner, adding that to the upper waterline. And to my lower waterline, I'm applying a brown eyeliner, adding a little bit of gold eyeshadow on my inner corner to give it that pop that we need. I'm also going to be adding a mascara to the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to be pressing down my real lashes with the fake lashes using the mini lash curler. So here's the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!